Having issues with your iPhone keyboard, whether it's unwanted autocorrect suggestions, saved words, or a laggy keyboard, resetting it can help. This guide will show you how to reset your iPhone keyboard quickly. Let's dive in and get your keyboard back to normal. Solution: Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Resetting the keyboard dictionary will clear all custom words, autocorrect suggestions, and typing predictions that may have built up over time. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then tap Reset Keyboard Dictionary. You may be prompted to enter your passcode. Enter it to continue. Confirm that you want to reset the keyboard dictionary. This will remove all custom words and suggestions. After following these steps, your iPhone keyboard will be reset, removing any personalized words or typing data. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips. And stay tuned for the next video.